Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now looking at both the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar and the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, both seeing upside correction pressures in here with some US dollar strength coming through. US dollar bearish theme in here, just abating a little bit in here. We're seeing a little bit of a positive US dollar correction into late January, early February, primarily driven to this significant push higher to higher yields across the US yield curve, particularly in the 10-year sector, to multi-month and even multi-year higher yield levels, and also with the global equity correction, the big sell-off we saw on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones on Friday, pushing the US dollar slightly higher in here against the Canadian dollar, easing immediate downside pressures. But whilst below 125.89, we look at this whole dollar bearish theme that we've had from mid-December through into early 2018 through January, looking for that to resume into February after this correction theme finishes off, likely in the next few days. Looking for this 124.91, 125.41 area to cap. Similar to picture in here for dollar yen. We've had that more bearish theme in here since through early 2018 through January, and the market accelerating lower, breaking out of this consolidation phase we saw in December from more bearish theme down through important supports here at 110.82, psychological 110. So still remaining bearish. We have had a push higher again late January, early February, driven by that move to higher yields in the US. And driven by the equity market sell-off, pushing up to 110.48. But we're looking for 111.48, this key level here to the cap, and for bearish pressures to renew on the downside. So a corrective risk for the dollar to the upside, but looking for intermediate-term bearish pressures to resume into February. This has been Steve Miley for the Market Chartist for forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.